morning, student. Today we will start exercise 5.1 question number 3 first. In this question, the AP is given. We have to find the first term and the common difference. That means we have to find A and we have to find D. So what is A? A means the first term. So what is A here? 3. A is the first term. Now what is D? We know that D means A2 minus A1. So what is A2 here? A2 is 1. 1 minus, what is A1? That is the first term, that is 3. So my D is minus 2. It's not necessary that you always take A2 minus A1. You can take A3 minus A2. It will be also minus 2. You can take A4 minus A3. That will be also minus 2. So this is the first question of third. Now let's see the third of question number 3. This is the AP. We have to find the first term, that is A, and we have to find the common difference D. So what is the first term? A, 1 by 3. Now we have to find D. So what is D? A2, okay, we will write down A2 minus A1. So what is my A2? 5 by 3. I will do 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 by 3. So my D is 4 by 3. Question number 4, first. It is given 2, 4, 8, 16. We have to show that whether it is AP or not. If yes, then find remaining 3 more terms. Okay, so first of all I will check it is AP or not, that we have to check. So first of all I will take A2 minus A1. So that will be 4 minus 2, that is 2. Then I will take A3 minus A2. I will keep finding D. So what is A3? 8 minus 4. That is 4. Are they same? So I will write A2 minus A1 is not equal to, I'm sorry, here it is A2. Minus A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore, the answer is no. No, this is not AP. Let's see the second. Second. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and so on. We have to check whether it is AP or not. Okay, so first of all I will take A2 minus A1. So my A2 is 5 by 2 minus 2. 2 means 2 by 1. So if I take LCM 2, I will get 5 ones are 5 minus 2 twos are 4. So it is 1 by 2. Now I will find A3 minus A2. What is A3? 3 minus what is A2? 5 by 2. 3 means 3 by 1. Nothing is there means there is 1. Okay, so my LCM is again 2. I will take the LCM of 1 and 2. Now 3 twos are 6 minus 5 ones are 5. So this is also 1 by 2. So now the fourth term is also given. So I will check for A4 minus A3 also. Okay, this is equal. But if this is not equal, then we say no. So we have to check for all that terms which are given. So A4 is given. So I will check for A4 minus A3. So what is my A4? 7 by 2 minus what is my A3? 3. 3 means 3 by 1. So this is again 2 is the LCM. 7 ones are 7 minus 3 twos are 6. So it is also 1 by 2. So all 3 are same. So I will say yes, it is AP. Now the question is, if it is AP, then find the remaining 3 terms. Okay, so this is first, second, third and fourth. Now I have to find the fifth term. That means I have to find A5. What is my A4? 7 by 2. And what is my D? 1 by 2. What is my common difference? 1 by 2. So I will add 1 by 2. So this will become 8 by 2. Okay, now what is my A6? That is 8 by 2 plus again I will keep adding D. So again it is 9 by 2. I have to find one more term, that is A7. So what is my A7? That is 9 by 2 plus B. So that is 10 by 2. But see here, 8 by 2 means 4. 9 by 2 remains as it is. And this is again 5. 10 by 2 is 5. So what are the three remaining terms after this? 4, 9 by 2 and 5. Question 4th, 5th. 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. We have to check whether it is AP or not. So I will start with A2 minus A1. What is A2? 3 plus root 2. Minus, what is A1? 3. So this is 3 plus root 2 minus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 cancel. So the answer is root 2. So A2 minus A1 is root 2. Now I will find A3 minus A2. What is A3? 3 plus 2 root 2. Minus, what is A2? 3 plus root 2. Now I will remove the bracket. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3. Now this is minus. Minus into plus is minus. Don't forget to change this sign. So minus into plus will be minus root 2. 3 minus 3, 3 cancelled. So 2 root 2 minus root 2 is again root 2. Now fourth term is also given. So I will find A4 minus A3. A4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2. Oh, remove the brackets. 3 plus minus minus plus is minus 2 root 2. Now plus 3 minus 3 cancel. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is also root 2. Now see here. A2 minus A1 is root 2. A3 minus A2 is also root 2. And A4 minus A3 is also root 2. So D is equal to root 2. So yes, it is AP. Now if it is AP, then find the remaining terms. So 4 terms are given. I have to find A5, A6 and A7. I have to find because it is AP. So I have to find the 3 more terms. What is the A4th term? 3 plus 3 root 2 plus B. D means plus root 2. So A5 is 3 plus 3 root 2 plus 1 root 2 is 4 root 2. So A5 is 3 plus 4 root 2. Now I will find A6. A6 means again I will add root 2 in this. Root 2 plus root 2. The next term is 4 root 2 plus 1 root 2, 5 root 2. What will be the next term? A7, 5 root 2 plus root 2. It is 3 plus 6 root 2. Remaining 3 terms are 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2. Question 4th, 11th. First, we have to check whether it is AP or not. A2 minus A1, A square minus A. It is not possible to subtract because they are not like terms. So the answer is as it is. Next is A3 minus A2. It will be A raised to 3 minus A square. It is also not possible to subtract. But if you want, you can take common like this. A minus 1. Here what it will be? A square, A minus 1. But are they same? No. This is A minus 1. And this is A square, A minus 1. A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore, answer is no. No, it is not AP. Now, question number 12. Question number 12. Root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. Is it AP? So, find out A2 minus A1. Now, here, what is A2? Root 8. Minus, what is A1? Root 2. Root 8 can be written as 8 means 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8 minus root 2. Now what is root 4? Root 4 means 2. And this root 2 remains as it is. Try to understand. Root 4 means 2. So that 2 comes outside. And this remains root 2 minus this is root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is root 2. Now I will find A3 minus A2. What is A3 minus A2? Root 16 minus root 8. Again, this can be written as 9 into 2. 9 2s are 18. Now the question is, why I am writing 9 into 2? Why not something other? Because this 9 is a perfect square. It can be written as 6 into 3. 6 3s are 18. I can write. But 6 is not a perfect square. So I will always split this number in such a way that one of the number is a perfect square. Again, it is also 4 into 2. So root 9 means 3. Root 2. This 2 remains as it is. This 4 means 2. Now 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is root 2. So this is also root 2, this is also root 2. Now let us check for A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3. A4 is 32 minus root 18. Root 32 minus root 18. Now 32 can be written as 16 into 2. 16 is again a perfect square minus. This is also 9 into 2. 9 is also a perfect square. So 16 comes out. Root 16 means 4. Root 9 means 3. 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2 is root 2. So here all are same. This is also root 2. This is root 2. This is also root 2. So the answer is yes, it is a AP. Now if it is AP, find out the remaining terms. Now the last term is A4 is root 32. A4 is root 32 plus D, that is our D is root 2. Now root 32 can be written as 4 root 2 that we had already explained here plus root 2. So the answer is, my next term is 5 root 2. 4 root 2 plus root 2 is 5 root 2. Now if I take this 5 inside, it will go inside and will become 25. 5 into 2. Answer is 25 into 2, that is 50. Try to understand this concept very carefully. My fourth term is root 32. Now root 32 plus D. D is root 2. Now root 32 can be written as, we can't add them directly like this. Root 32 is written as 4 root 2 plus, now 4 root 2 plus root 2 is 5 root 2. If I take this 5 inside the square root, that 5 will become 25. So 25 into 2 is 50. My fifth term is root 50. Similarly, I will find A6. What is this term? Root 50 plus root 2. Root 50 means 5 root 2 plus root 2. So it is 6 root 2. If this 6 goes inside, it will become 36. 36 into 2, that is 72. So my A6 is root 72. Then we will find A7. Similarly, we can find A7. A7 means A6 plus root 2. My A6 is under root 72. Under root 72 can be written as 6 root 2. Again plus root 2. Total is 7 root 2. Now if this 7 goes inside, it becomes 49. 49 into 2 is under root 98. So the 3 more terms are root 50, root 72, root 98. Question number 4, 14. A square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. We have to check whether it is AP or not. Now 1 square means 1, 3 square means 9, 5 square means 25, 7 square means 49 and so on. A2 minus A1, that is 9 minus 1, it is 8. A3 minus A2, that is 25 minus 9, that is 16. Are they equal? No. So the answer is no. It is not AP. No need to check for A4. I will check for A4 if they are coming same. Then only I go for A4 minus A3. But here they are not equal. So no need to check for A4 minus A3. The answer is no. It is not. It does not represent AP. Question number 15. A square, 5 square, 7 square, 73 and so on. Is it AP or not? Now 1 square means 1. 5 square means 25. 7 square means 49. This is 73 already given. I will find A2 minus A1. What is A2? 25 minus 1. 24. Now I will find A3 minus A2. A3 is 49. 49 minus 25. That is also 24. Now they are same. So I will go for more. A4 minus A3. My A4 is 73 minus 49. 73 minus 49 is also 24. So the answer is yes. Yes, it represents AP because my D is 24. If it is AP, so we have to find 3 more terms. After 73, which other 3 terms will come? So let us find out. This is A4. I will find A5, A6, A7. Now A5. A5 means, A5 is, yes, A5. What is A5? A4 plus D. D is 24. It is 73 plus 24. So what is 73 plus 24? 97. Now I will find A6. A6 means A5, that is 97 plus 24. So if I add this, I will get 121. The last, let us find A7. So 121 plus 24. That means A6 plus 24. So it is 145. So the remaining terms after 73 is 97, 121, 145. Next time we will learn how to find the nth term using formula. Thank you.